He will said something. It's Smith Premier number 2. It is said before lifting this one, we need to lock this one. Push like this, push like this, but it's very right now it's very hot, so we need a little bit like a half hammer, and then before that make sure this one should be correctly like this. A little bit more, then you can push now this part for the hole like this. This one, just like this. Then you can easily hook this one like this, and then like this. Same thing. A little bit push, and then it's stiff. You need a little bit adjust. Then we can hold this one. It's very heavy because we lock everything. We can hold it like that. Okay, for the open, same thing. We need to push back this one. And then this one easily, and then we can take off this one like this. Very beautiful, right? There is a serial number inside. See, 2, 3, 7, 4. Looks like a 0. According to the Typewriter database, it was manufactured 1898. That means 125 years ago. This is very unique stuff. Is there is no function key. That means capital this stuff, and then this is a lowercase. Then we cannot see the when you type. So in order to look at the, we need like raise up this platen. Then you can see. I'll show you later. When I bought this one, as you see the video, Smith Premier number 2. So it does not work. So I remove this one. First unscrew this part, and then second this part. Then we can remove this one, and then we can take off the mainspring. So we can look at the inside. It does not properly connected. So I will reconnect and then put this mainspring back into here, and then of course we need reconnect this part also because it was broken. Okay, see, there is a problem around here. First I thought this mechanism I didn't understand, so just I think broken like this one, but it's not that simple. I think someone tried to fix it this one. Of course, first we need to reconnect this one, but before that, this mainspring little bit not perfectly push inside, a little bit outside. So that's why I couldn't understand this function. So that's why I didn't realize this mainspring inside disconnected. So in order to fix, I unscrew this stuff and this one. Actually, if you are handyman, just unscrew this one. We can take off this mainspring. But you are not like that kind of handyman, you need to unscrew this one also. Then we can first take off this part, and then later we can take off the mainspring. Anyway, to fix this part, I ground like this stuff, and then using the very sharp nail, I put back and then make another hole, and then I put another nail and then hammered like this. So it was perfect right now. So, and then we push back this one. This is a very good mechanism. This connected to this. That means, as you see, this ribbon is huge, right? So their main idea is they use the ribbon like from to here. Also, we can the wind up, but to use the whole range of ribbon, you need the ribbon is move from here to that, So that's this mechanism. See, this one is according to the gear's shape. This is moving back and forth because let's see. See, that's turning. So the big shape moving behind, the rowing, right? Right now is roaring, right? That means this ribbon spool back draw this side, because it's roaring means like this movement, and then if start this stuff is going up, that means push back this ribbon into there. Let's see. Right now it's almost end of this side. Now it will move to the front. Okay, let's see. See, a bit more. See, yeah, it's move to the front, right? That's the good idea. That means we can use the whole range of ribbon. After that, it turn to the one wind up for the next line of the ribbon. That's a good idea, right? Yeah. This is for the change of the ribbon direction, and then this is we can wind up, and then also we can take off the platen using this one. I'm using just one hand, and then hold this one. Then we can take off. I'll show you, okay? Yeah, like this. You can take off this whole pattern, right? Yeah, see? And then there is another good thing, good stuff inside. So as you see, the ribbon is very wide, right? So that's why it's a mover. And then if you look at inside, there is a brush, the built-in brush. So under this there is a screw, big screw inside. Let me see, I can maybe catch that screw. I can see it right now, but it's not easy using the camera. The black stuff in the inside, yeah, see? That's a screw. We can turn that screw, big screw. That means the inside the built-in brush going up and down and then turning. So that's why we can clean the type bars. That's very good idea, right? Yeah. So it's a upstrike, see, like this upstrike mechanism. So I'll show you later to the how make a print, okay? Then I take some picture like this. Okay, I put the paper and then let's look at some sample typing. Now I put the paper, so to see what is typewritten, we need like this. So first I try to the Smith Premier number 2, like exactly the same. It's a capital, lowercase, capital, and then lowercase number 2. So there is no shift key, right? So for make capital, we need the black, use the black. So S M I T H, right? Smith. Let's see. Yeah, like where is it? Yeah, like this, and then space, and then Premier. P is a capital, so black one. P R E M I E R space, and then capital number, and then O, and then space number 2. This one. That means we can see like this, right? And then we can, of course, we can use this one, and then one move to carriage also end of the, as we can line space up. Maybe like this. See? Yeah. And then you can see like this. Very good shape, right? Considering the age of 125, right? Yeah. Very good. All right. Some typing more for the good words. Okay, I typing more for the good words. All right.